Trying to talk to your Google TV but it's not listening? This usually happens because Google Assistant isn't set up yet, or microphone access is turned off on your device. So let's fix it by enabling voice control step by step. First, look at your Google TV remote. On the side or front, you'll see a small switch or button labeled with the Google Assistant icon. Now try pressing the Google Assistant button. If the mic works, you'll see the Assistant animation on screen. But if it doesn't work, it basically means you need to enable the mic. Here's how. Go to your Google TV home screen. Navigate to the settings icon using your remote. Now scroll down to device preferences and select it. From here you need to find Google Assistant. If you see it being disabled here, then turn it on. Select continue. Choose allow to any permissions if you're prompted. Now hit OK or continue to the next few prompts. After this, just let your TV remote connect to the Google Assistant and you'll be set. And that's how you can enable Google Assistant voice control on your Google TV. Now you can control apps, search for shows, and even manage smart home devices, hands-free. If this video helps you out, then drop a like and subscribe for more Google TV guides.